The list included the name of the petitioners, which was duly recommended by the Chairman Department Promotion Committee. However, the petitioner did not find his name in the final select list declared for admission to the promotion list B1 issued on 20 March 2010. The petitioner applied for obtaining information under RTI Act on receipt of details of marks as well as the merit position of the selected candidates in B1 list. The petitioner found that he was shown to have secured 65.5 marks and was at serial number 43 of the selected list of the general category candidates. Respondent number 5 had secured 65 marks and was at serial number 44, whereas respondent number 6 Pradeep Kumar with 63.75 marks was shown at serial number 45. Similarly, Kiran Kumar 64 marks and Jagdish Chandar 51 marks were shown at number 46 and 47 of the selected list. The petitioner represented on 6 January 2011. Respondent number 3, however, rejected his representation by pointing out that the petitioner had been assigned 5 marks of education being MA, whereas he had only shown MA previous qualification in his character role. Thus, the marks obtained by the petitioner were 62.5 instead of 65 marks, whereas last cut-off marks in general category was 64. The petitioner has accordingly challenged this order on the ground that this is arbitrary and malefied and has accordingly prayed for quashing the same, whereas the Inspector General has reduced the marks of the petitioner from 65 to 62.5 without any justification. In the above written statement filed on behalf of respondent numbers 1 to 4, it is stated that 55 seats were allotted to all HAP battalion for selection of constables for promotion to list B1 for the year 2010 under 55% quota department promotion committee under the chairmanship of Commandant 3rd Battalion HAP Hisar was constituted and online B1 test was conducted. The petitioner appeared in the general category under 55% quota. The name of the petitioner was recommended by the chairman for approval to the Inspector General of Haryana Armed Police Madhuban as per Rule 13.7 of the Punjab Police Rules. The petitioner was granted marks for higher education by the chairman. It was found that the petitioner did not informed the department about passing MA final examination at the time of B1 test 2001. The petitioner, however, informed the department on 14 April 2010, where all the process of B1 test had been completed. The application of the petitioner regarding this information is annexed with the reply as Annexure R1. The online test was conducted on 10th and 11th April 2010. As per Rule 13.7, educational qualifications are to be brought for evaluation of merit for list B1 as on 1st January of the year in which the selection is made. As per the record, the petitioner had only passed MA previous examination on the 1st January 2010, and accordingly the Inspector General HAP Madhuban disallowed 5 marks of the petitioner awarded to him by the Department Promotion Committee on account of his higher qualification. It is stated that recommendations of Department Promotion Committee cannot be considered final until the same are approved by the Inspector General, who is the controlling officer. It is also pointed out that the whole service record of the petitioner was scrutinized, and thereafter it was found that he had only obtained 62.05 marks, whereas cutout of marks for general category candidate was 64.00 marks. Hence, the name of the petitioner was rightly rejected by Inspector General HAP Madhuban. When the case came up for the higher before this court on 28 July 2011, the counsel for the petitioner had submitted that the petitioner was rightly assessed by the Department Promotion Committee and given 65.5 marks. As per the counsel, the marks awarded to the petitioner by the Department Promotion Committee were wrongly and arbitrarily brought down to 62.05 by Inspector General. The justification given in the reply was noted. The stand was that the petitioner had shown his post-graduation degree after the assessment. However, it was noticed that the petitioner had in fact passed his post-graduation degree in the year 2009, is that much before the date he was required to be considered for B1 list. The petitioner had produced the degree at the time of interview, and that is how he was assessed by the Department Promotion Committee and awarded marks for the post-graduation degree. In this factual background and action of the Inspector General in reducing the marks of the petitioner was observed to be not well found. The State Council was given time to have instructions, and the case was accordingly adjourned. The State Council appearing in this case would continue to stick to the stand taken in the reply and would justify the action of Inspector General, which according to him was in term of rule position. The short question which would thus arise for consideration is whether the action of the Inspector General in reducing the marks of the petitioner as awarded by Department Promotion Committee for the reason as stated in the reply is justified or not. Considerably, the petitioner has passed the post graduation course much before the date of his selection in the year 2009. The name of the petitioner was considered for B1 list in April 2010. The online consideration was conducted on 10th and 11th April 2010 and the petitioner had informed the department on 14th March 2010. Still, in fairness, he cannot be detained the benefit of higher qualification of MA which the petitioner had obtained much prior to the relevant date, merely because the petitioner had informed the department about the higher qualification at the time of interview cannot be a reason enough to say that he is not having his qualification for which the petitioner was required to be awarded.